Sorry guys for the disturbance. We were discussing about break. So break works particularly any line, entity or any geometry set you are interested, you can break them. Now you can see this, the whole thing is a single line. You want to divide that entire line into two divisions. So click on break, click on the element and select the relimitation. So now you can see we have created two lines out of one line. So this is the use of break, and this is quick trim. So it will, whatever the extra elements there, it will just remove. The next one is close. Close is very much popular for circular elements. If I done only this much of circle, if you want to complete, so this will do for you. Okay, this is close. Next one is complement, if any intersections are there, so this is helpful there. And these are not much use. Once we go for full-fledged part design, we will try to use all the available relimitations or any sketcher tools. Though next we will move towards transformations. So again I will clear the screen. So this one is called mirror. So for mirror, I have created a geometry. For mirror, click on mirror. So you can see in the left corner bottom, you can see select the set of element to be duplicated by symmetry. Just click on the element. Next, click on the axis. So you can see automatically this one got mirrored. The next one is symmetry. For symmetry, same, click. So this is symmetry. In symmetry, the half portion will not be retained. In mirror, the half portion will be retained. So next is translate. So this translate means you can copy the same image. If you on duplicate mode, you can copy the same image to the how many duplications you want, you can do. So in the next one, click on the point from where you want to translate. So you can see I can translate in any direction. Just provide the values here, so it will move according to that. Okay. The next one is rotate. So rotate is useful in your want to divide the entire circle into 12 parts, or the same profile to be repeated over the entire feature. In those cases, this rotate option will help. This is how many instances you want. If you want 4, click on 4. So click which is your center, what is the degree. So I will take 90 degree. Okay, you can see now all the 4 circles are deposited on the available circle. The next one is offset. So this is very want offset. Click, just you can see the hy value and number of instances. If you increase the number of instances to 2, see automatically 2 lines will offset from the equal distance. So these are the basic transformation tool, and this is operation toolbar. And the next and the last toolbar in the sketcher is the constraint toolbars. So we will again clear our screen. Now we will look at constraints. The first, we will draw some basic geometry. So random. Okay. Now the first one is here constraint. Click on constraint. So you can dimension the part. The trick in CATIA is if you click once, it will come only once. If you double click, you can draw it n times. Now you can see. Okay. The next one is fix, and these edit multi constraint, and these are all not suggested to be used. So we will now see how actually this constraint definition box works. So if you want to change any dimension, just click on it, so you can see the values. So if you want how much you want, you can just queue. Okay. So now you can see this V means vertical. So but this is not vertical or horizontal anything, but I wanted it to be horizontal. In that case, I click here and I will go to this tool. This is called constraint defined. Click here. Either you can, there's options available is length, fix, horizontal or vertical. If I want horizontal, I'll just click horizontal. Okay. See, automatically this line has become horizontal. Now if I wanted to coincide this line with this line, I will click this point and this point, and I will go for constraint box. I will give coincidence. So like this, there are so many plenty of options are available. If you want to have a tangent to a circle, so you can just, it's some tangent is somewhere, if the line is somewhere, you want still this to be tangent, click both, go to constraint, give tangency, just okay. Now see, so this is a powerful tool available in CATIA Sketcher is constraint. So this is the basic outline. The most important of them all is this is called as sketch solving status. Once you click on sketch solving status, it has two options. One is sketch analyzer or sketch solving status. This is sketch analysis and this sketch solving status. Just click on sketch solving status. So this says under constraint. What do you mean by under constraint, over constraint and iso constraint? There are three types of constraints. Now we will look each at a time. We will clear our screen. Okay. Now we will take simple a rectangle. Now we will go for sketch analysis. It says it's under constraint. That means no dimensions are added. Okay, we will add the dimensions. Now if I go for, it's also again says under constraint. Why? Because this is free to move in space. So what I will do, I will coincide with this using constraint toolbar. Now again I will go, so it says iso constraint. If it comes iso constraint, then the figure is correct. That means sketch that we have drawn is correct. Now what do you mean by over constraint? Yeah, I know that this dimension is added, but still I will add one more dimension. You can see automatically my dimension has become pink. Again I will go to sketch. Now it says over constraint. You can see this circle is activated, small circle. This indicates there is a problem with this dimension. Either this is wrong or this is over. So I will delete this. Again I will go for sketch analysis. Now we can see iso constraint. So this is the basic sketcher tool available in CATIA part design. So now we have done with our sketcher part or sketcher module. Now in next video we will go detail about the feature based, sketch based features and dress up tools. Thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe to our channel. If you let me know your views in the comment section below. Give thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you.